Hey guys, this is July the 15th, I think. Started cutting the wheat a little bit last night. We ran one hopper through the combine, but the dew was on the dew was coming on and it was not going the greatest. You can see I've got some weed pressure out here too, so that wasn't helping anything. But there's rain in the forecast for later this afternoon, so I left work early today. I'm going to try to get this knocked out so I can get the wagon back home in the shed. So I don't know how much video I'm going to get. Joe got some video last night. He helped me get stuff moved over here and get started. So I'll throw some of that in here at the beginning, but yep, I'm going to try to get this knocked out today. I'm not supposed to be doing this tonight.
Not meant to be, I guess.
Okay, we're all done cutting. I got what I was gonna sell hauled into the elevator before they closed, and I had about one hopper load left in the field that I wanted to keep for feed. So we've got the auger set up. Well, that's it for the wheat for 2025. It didn't do too bad. It made around 50 bushels an acre. It would have done better than that by volume, but the test weight was low, so you kind of dock yourself for that at the elevator. But anyway, didn't have too much trouble. Had a little bit of trouble with the combine, but not anything major. Normal breakdowns. Had a chain pop off up there, and that had the drive chain for the scour clean popped off, and then and the grain couldn't go through that. That plugged up the clean grain elevator, and so anyway, I'm gonna get this unhooked from the tractor and get the combine taken home. I'll probably come and get the tractor tomorrow. If it doesn't rain overnight and tomorrow, I might try to bale the straw. I do want to get straw baled, but since we've got rain forecasted, I don't know when that's going to happen. So, and I need to bring the bush hog over and knock down a couple of those weedy spots that I had to combine around. So anyway, if you're still here, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one, and we'll catch you with whatever we're doing next. So, thank you again.